doing, Oklahoma delegation? Today we're going to talk about the caucus meetings. Our Oklahoma delegation meets at 7 o'clock every morning, and that is to talk about the business and to have breakfast. Now when I say 7 o'clock, I mean you have to have your breakfast and be in your seat ready for the business meeting to start at 7. All right. In the caucus meetings, we go over the business of the day. It is run just like the delegate assembly. It's a business meeting or a board meeting, and we take votes on things. We have a speaking order, we have microphones, all that stuff. The new business item committee makes recommendations to our caucus about what positions they think that we should take, and then the caucus discusses it and votes on it, and then we have a caucus position. Although you are not bound to vote the caucus position, you vote your own conscience for the people that you represent. Candidates come speak to us during this time, and we have a candidate interview team that interviews some of the candidates for NEA Executive Committee and will come up with recommendations for us to vote on and talk to us about why they make those recommendations. We also have political action, fundraisers, drawings, that kind of thing, so make sure you bring a little extra cash, and when you register, you'll get some envelopes and some stickers, and you bring those to caucus for those PAC things. We have a friend here, Cal.
Oh, yes, Alicia.
What are you reading there?
I am reading the latest issue of RA Today. It's fascinating. It's got all the new business items, and it's got our vote times as well. How cool is that?
Awesome.
But I've got a question.
Yeah?
What do I do with all this stuff that I got when I registered?
Well, that is an excellent question, Cal. All of this stuff that you get when you register, you go through. Some of it is information on candidates, others are policy statements, resolutions, all kinds of updates on the budget, and you bring those things to the first morning caucus, and Catherine will tell you what day each of those books needs to be with you at the representative assembly. And then afterwards you can make notes in them, you can take them back to your locals to help you make your report to your locals. You know, if there are more than one of you from a local, I would only bring one set back, toss the other set. It's a lot of paperwork. This book right here, which it'll look different this year, this is last year's book, it needs to come with you every day because you can make notes in there and take that book into you when you go vote, so you remember which way you wanted to vote when you get in there. So, other information we need to know. This year there is no state contacts for Oklahoma. We're not assigning state contacts. We had very few people signing up to be state contacts the last couple of years, and state contacts are it's kind of an obsolete thing. Everything that we do is electronic. We put in our caucus positions through electronic means, and we get every state's position that way. So that means we don't have to have people going back and forth trading positions and us looking through 50 different state positions. We have it all in one document. So we're going to monitor the state contact issue. If we see that we need to have state contacts next year, we're going to be asking for recommendations from you. What did you see that we might need state contacts for, and see what we need to do about that program. So that is something that we're looking at, and we'll reach out to you for recommendations. So that's a little bit about what we are doing in caucus. Hope you are enjoying these videos, learning a little bit, and not too annoyed that I mess up all the time in them, but have fun with it and learn, and we can't wait to see you in DC.